Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today, we're going to deal with a couple of algebraic expression questions, and with that in mind, let's start. So in this video, we're going to cover 1.1.1, and that is going to be x squared plus 5x minus 6, and they've asked us to solve for x. So I'm going to write it over here. So we've got x squared plus 5x minus 6 equals 0. All right, so we know we need to factorize this. So let's factorize it using our trinomial. Okay, and we've got, because we've got a negative there, we know we need to have a positive and a negative. Because we have a coefficient of 1 there, that's going to be x and x. And now we need to find two numbers that multiply to 6 and subtract to 5, because this is a minus. So two numbers that multiply to 6 and subtract to 5. And that is going to be 6 and 1. And we know that our 6 goes to where the positive bracket is. So 6 goes over there and 1 goes over there. Now, because this is 0, we know either this bracket or this bracket is equal to 0. So we say either x plus 6 equals 0. So that's going to be x is equal to negative 6. Or x minus 1 equals 0. And therefore x is equal to 1. And that would get you the full marks for this question. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.